Welcome to Granada. We are here just wandering the streets today, and it's really surprising to us in some ways what we're seeing. You know, it's most of like Turkey, Egypt. I would assume, I haven't been yet, Marrakesh, Casablanca, a little bit of Morocco is happening here. There's a good bit of Middle Eastern influence and African influence here. Probably because of Alhambra and because of the history. And it's so different than Sevilla, it's so different than Madrid, and it's so different than Barcelona, like completely different. It's like we left the country almost.
Mostly we're just here today having our traditional first day in a new city wander, and so we're enjoying sharing the little quaint sights and sounds with you guys. It's like perfect weather today, so it's really nice to be out. We're excited to go see the Alhambra soon. And other than that, it's mostly just a vibe. Like the whole city is a vibe. And like Jeremy was saying, it is so different. It's like hard to place it as Spain based on the experiences we've had of Spain so far. It feels like a real hodgepodge of cultures and people and people having vacations or holidays, and yeah, it's a real mix of people from all over. So I'm really enjoying it. Also enjoying the frequency with which we're seeing good coffee shops, and also enjoying the frequency with which we're seeing signs of places that have hummus.
It's peaceful to have this burger, huh?
Oh yeah.
So peaceful.
On our wander around here this morning, we stumbled along some 11th century baths, which were free to enter. It was really cute, like a little house that was converted into some baths at some point, and you just wander through for free. A few ladies at the entrance assure you that it's free, and you can take a look. The skylights in there are so beautiful. They're really majestic with the star shapes and the arches in the room. It's really lovely. It smells so nice in here. It smells like fresh laundry and lavender. Today, guys. More to come, but here we are at a perfumery, I guess, where they not only sell the products, but they teach you something about it, and they make it a really hands-on experience, which I really love. It's stunning, and honestly, this little courtyard garden smells amazing. I wish I could share the smell with you through the internet, but we haven't figured that out yet. So until then, just imagine the most beautiful gardens you've ever smelled. It's really something magical. Standing in one shawarma place right here, and look what's across the way.
another one. Another shawarma place. Honestly, that was unexpected. I did not expect this, but I am loving it.
So fun. I honestly didn't think visiting South Spain I would be in Africa or really experiencing it, but it's so easy to experience Africa here. I knew about the Moorish people from Sevilla and the Royal Palace there, Alcazar, but coming here and experiencing the Moorish people on full scale, you know, that place we just came from, the restaurant, was straight up built and designed around Marrakesh. So, and this was too. I saw people eating it. So fantastically looking. If that's how you say it. I'm like, I gotta get one, babe. $4 for this thing. It's a boatload of heaven. This is a reason to visit Granada. If you're scared to go to Africa, go to Granada. Eat one of these. Fantastic. Cielo. What is it? Cielo. 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 Cielo.
Soleil? Hold on, hold it. Shall we have another hammam? I guess we could cross. I mean, how long do you think these have had to grow for to get this tall? Whoa. Grapevines on steroids.
We are here in front of the Cathedral of Granada, and there's many chapels, and there's also many different admission entrances. So you could go over here around, take 2 lefts, and then you're at the Royal Chapel. Same building, but completely different entrance and different things that you would view. Some, it appears as you can take photos and videos, and others you can't. So you have to make sure you're aware of that. But it's not very much money to go and experience if you haven't seen some of the traditional 15th, 16th, 17th century churches. Pretty fascinating, really, really beautiful gold leaf work. If you want a free sneak peek, go in on Sunday during the week. That is where they make all their money. The church. Cash trucks always show up at 8 in the morning. These places just raking in the dough. So everybody's gotta have a peek.
We were just remarking how the coffee scene here is incredible. I know I mentioned it before, but it's actually really good. Like, we just stopped into this shop here, and what's it called? Tea and Coffee Granada. Really official name. Tea and Coffee Granada. We stopped in and got some almond milk lattes. It is half the price pretty much anywhere in Spain to get your lattes if it's a local place versus Starbucks. So we got 2 lattes for €5.20 with almond milk, and they told us where the coffee came from. They told us the experience of it. She was very talented in the way that she actually made the lattes. You could tell it was intentional, and she was trained in how to like manage the espresso and pour the milk and all that. So really fun experience. I would definitely recommend it.
Pues no sé si comprar una lámpara para casa. Y como lo que me quería regalar mi mamá, pero le dije que no por el espacio.
Yo